I am Tanya. Welcome to my channel Tanya Talks. So if you know me and if you have seen few of my videos, you should be knowing this that most of the time I'm really pissed at the fact that how irritating it is for me that how the society is biased, and I really talk about the patriarchal issues and how it's always most of the times it's unfair to women, right? But for a change, I want to talk about the things which are unfair to men. Okay, this is something which I was thinking for a really long time, and then of course like certain incidents happen which are obviously relatable, and then I was like, what better place than my own channel to discuss each and everything that goes on in my head. So yes, today we are going to talk about something that the society is very brutal towards men. They always look at the men of the society as who has to take the financial responsibility, who has to be the breadwinner of the family and each and everything, right? And sometimes I feel that it's actually unfair, right? I mean, if in today's world, if we as women, we are expecting them to understand the fact that it's not completely our duty to take care of the house, and how it has been for so many years and how the society runs, obviously. So if we are expecting them to understand that it's not completely our responsibility to take care of the household, or to take care of the kids or whatever, then it's our responsibility to understand this thing as well, that the financial responsibilities should also be divided, right? I mean, if we are talking about equal rights over here, if we are talking that if both the partners are there, so both the partners are equals and they should be taking care of each other and whatever life they are planning to live together, I think each and everything should be divided properly. So why don't we talk about this thing, right, that the financial responsibilities can also be shared? Even today, of course, like women are working, they are independent, each and everything, but unfortunately I have experienced this. I see this a lot of times, that whenever they are looking for a partner, they cannot stand if the guy is earning less than them, or even like if the guy is almost earning equal to them. I mean, that's a little weird for me, that if everything is okay, if we are talking about this thing that both the partners has to share household responsibilities and together we'll do everything, then why is there a problem? Why is the expectation always there that the guy will always earn more than the woman, so that whatever happens, the financial responsibility has to be on the guy? It is actually unfair, and especially when you look for these marriages and all of that, it's not even a point of discussion. It's just a stated fact that first of all, the guy is always being asked that how much money do you earn, how much money do you make, right? And it matters a lot. I mean, that is the first question, and on the basis of that question, all other things are being decided, right? Which is so unfair. And if the guy is earning less than the girl, it's not even a point of discussion. It's just like backed off. And I feel this is so unfair, and this is where something I feel that double standards are also there, that as women, if we are expecting that this is something which we want, and it would be great if both the partners are sharing equal responsibilities and stuff, then how the hell can you expect your man to always earn more than you, so that the major portion of the financial responsibility comes on to him? How is that fair? That's not fair, right? I mean, I cannot deny the fact that I have seen this a lot, and unfortunately it is a thing that whenever the partner is being considered, so even women also, they cannot stand if the guy is earning less, or they do not really like the fact that if the guy is earning less than them or almost equal as well, right? They would always prefer a guy earning more than them. They would always prefer a guy having like his own house, his own car, and well settled and stuff like that. Dude, I mean, you can expect that from yourself also, right? You are also working. We talk so much about this, that we are independent women working and stuff like that. So why cannot these expectations come from you as well? The guy can also say that you are also earning. Where is your own house? Where is your own car? Then again, we'll start blaming men. And of course, like, we do blame men a lot for the correct reasons. I'm not saying that we unnecessarily blame them. We do, but then this is something that I don't really agree with, and this is something which I don't really like. That why is it always expected from a man to have his own house, have his own car? I mean, if you both are working, if you both are partners, and as a woman, if you are expecting so many things from the man to understand, I think this thing can also be shared, right? If you are working, you can also be well settled, and it's completely okay if the guy is earning less also, if the guy is earning almost equal also. There's no, why is it such a big deal that, oh my god, the guy is earning less than me, how can I even talk to him? How is that okay? It's just purely double standard. And yeah, this is something which I really dislike, and I was like thinking about this a lot, and I tried to figure out also like, why is it always like that? So of course, because this is how the society runs, and of course it creates a certain kind of scenario in a man's head as well. That is why they also take it on their ego if the woman is earning more than them. So it is both ways, okay? Most of the women, they are not okay if the guy is earning less than them, okay? And most of the men are also not okay if the woman is earning more than them, because then they take it on their ego, which is so dumb. Again, if you are partners, and if you are talking so much about sharing responsibilities and living a life together and all of that stuff, then dude, it's okay. You can share the financial responsibilities as well. You can share all the responsibilities together. Always, it's not necessary to put the burden on the guy to be the breadwinner of the family. It's completely okay to take the financial responsibility as well. If we are so woke about it that we are working, and the household responsibilities should be shared, and each and everything, we talk so much about it, right? Which is necessary, which is important, which is understandable. But at the same time, we should also talk about that how the financial responsibilities should also be shared then, right? So then it's a good balance, right? If both are working, so share the financial responsibility also, right? So yeah, this is something which I wanted to talk about, and I know this is something which is new for the channel, because of course I can't deny the fact that there are very few things when those things are unfair to men, but I think this is one of the biggest thing that I have always observed, and I had to speak about it. So yeah, I know that there could be mixed sort of thoughts about it. So rather than taking it to your heart, you can just let me know that what exactly do you feel about it. I would also get to know different perspectives about this similar thing, right? And if you found this video nice, please do not forget to hit the like button. Also, whenever you want to see such relatable content, when I just come and share my perspectives about it, so you can definitely subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.